Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Roy, host of Click Digest, and if you have been bothered a lot about cell phone radiations, but you have to anyways talk a lot on your phone, well, there is a very good solution that we have here in our hands. These are called Echo Tubes Play It set of earphones. These are in the ear types and they work on a patented vacuum tube technology which transmits sound to you but not the radiation. There is a wired as well as a Bluetooth wireless version of the same available, so you can pick either of these. In this video I'm gonna unbox these, show you what these have to offer for you and how these work. Let's get started. The one we have on the right hand side is the wired version, while the one we have on the left is the Bluetooth version that you can see here. These are radiation free ear tube headset which uses patented acoustic technology, and patent numbers are also mentioned here. They are very similar except that this is wireless and this is the wired version. They both use the ear tube technology which is used for sound transmission, and hence it does not have any electromagnetic radiations near to your head, which is a good thing if you are someone who really cares a lot about radiation. I'll quickly unbox both of them side by side and show you both of them closely so you can have a look at what you are probably going to go for. The one which comes with Bluetooth also comes with this charging cable, which is not included in the wired version. This is used for charging the Bluetooth module. The packaging is neat and nice, and there is a quick start documentation guide which is included. It gives you all the details on how to use it. I'll keep this aside for a moment and this is the headset guide that you get with the wired one. I'll first open the wired one and then show you the Bluetooth headset quickly. This is the tube technology that it comes with. This part goes into the phone. This is the gold plated 3.5 mm, very high quality tip, as you can see here, very neatly finished. It also comes with these flat anti-tangle cables, so they will not tangle as much as the conventional round cables do, and all the electrical signals only come till this point where it uses an acoustic technology to transfer the sound further. So if you are using them, the maximum point where the radiation travels is this spot, which is at a safe distance from your head when you are using it, and most of the radiations are kept till the phone only, so a very minimalistic point reaches here, which is why it says 98% radiation free. So you will get only 2% of the radiations going till your head compared to what would actually reach when you put the phone next to your head. And these are the tips that are preloaded on them, and you can also put on these different size of tips that are included. So you have small, medium and large right within the box, and they are color matching. As you can see, with the white earphones you will get white tips, and with the black ones you get black tips. It's very easy to replace them. Just pull them off, put the smaller one or the bigger one or the medium one that you prefer. These are the conical shaped, which have the smallest one in the on the front and medium, and then the largest one at the back. It will provide a proper air seal near your ears. So I'll keep this aside for a moment and unbox this one, and after that I'll quickly test the audio quality on both and tell you my first impressions of the same. The Bluetooth headset comes with this receiver unit, which also gets this shield, which is probably for avoiding more radiations reaching out. So this is some sort of radiation absorbing material, and it comes with these controls where you have a button to accept or reject the calls and change the tracks. There is also a microphone which is built in right here, and this part plugs into this. So you have these ear tube unit again, which is exactly the same as you would find on the wired one, except that you get a Bluetooth receiver here. So no hassle of wires, just clip it to your shirt or something near your neck. And there is also a port here which is for charging this thing, and you can charge this unit once it goes out of battery. It should easily give you 4 to 5 hours of usage. And the other side is just like the other one, is again conical, which comes with 3 different sizes. and you have small, medium, large set of extra ear tips which are provided here. Now let me quickly listen to the music through each of them and tell you my impressions of these. So just hang on there. And I did play with these earphones for a few minutes, and here are my impressions about it. I find that these earphones have more bass, less mid-range and less treble. The bass kind of overpowers when it comes to music consumption, but the whole point of these earphones is to avoid radiation, and in this task it does compromise somewhat on the mid-range when it comes to audio quality. The overall quality is not bad, but I would say that the bass is very strong, so you can probably control it by controlling the equalizer on your phone. But when you are talking on phone, you would not probably notice anything, and you would not mind having these AirTube technology things. And one more thing that I want to mention is that if you accidentally press these tubes, the sound will not go through. It uses patented sound technology which passes through this chamber to this chamber using the compressed air technology and not the conventional electromagnetic waves, so it is different. The sound quality of the wired as well as wireless ones are almost equally good, and you would not notice much of a difference. So if you want freedom from wires, you can invest in something like this. If you don't mind having wires around you, you can use the wired version as well. The wireless version comes with this radiation shield which is installed at the back of it, so it will prevent the radiations from affecting your body and going it's going overboard when it comes to radiation. Overall, both are very compact and do the job really well, and are very innovative devices when it comes to avoiding radiations. We have also done a video on EnviroChip, which is another device for avoiding radiation. You can also have a look at that video. I'm leaving links in the description section below. This is all we have on this video. If you want to buy one for yourself, I'm leaving direct links in the description section below where you can buy one for the best price. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up by pressing the like button below, and for more such videos, make sure to hit the red subscribe button and stay subscribed to Intellect Digest. I hope to see you on my next video. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.